It's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through an exercise to increase the rotation in the shoulder, especially through the rotator cuff. So laying with the shoulder blades flat onto the floor, hands onto a broomstick or a pole that's shoulder width apart with the hands, and you're keeping the elbow planted. We're just going to open up through that shoulder by allowing that arm to drop to the side. So just do 3 to 4, just nice and relaxed, allowing that arm to drop, just using the broomstick as a guide. 3 to 4 each side. And then from there, you're going to bring the arm out and you're actually going to get a little bit more range out of it by encouraging it to move with the other hand. So at the moment, I'm encouraging with my right hand for my left to move more into that rotation, and then encouraging the right hand with the left to move more into that rotation. So you're going to challenge the range. You don't want to push it into pain. Just opening up through the front of that shoulder more. Keep the elbow and the upper arm onto the ground. You can do 12 to 15 in this position, then have a break, do another 12 to 15, ideally 3 sets. And that will very quickly increase the range of the external rotation of your shoulder.